Everyone thinks the best-selling Bluetooth car amplifiers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Aeroron ZK1002T. Let's kick things off with the Aeroron ZK1002T, a compact Bluetooth amplifier that packs a serious punch at just $23.73. The thing that caught my eye was its sleek design and bestseller badge. If you want an affordable solution for enhancing your car's audio, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 100 W per channel, this amplifier could drive your subwoofer to deliver deep, rich bass. The Bluetooth 5.0 connection ensures a stable link to your devices, which is great for streaming your favorite tracks without interruptions. Plus, the independent treble and bass controls let you fine-tune your audio experience. With over 4,000 units sold just this past month and a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, you can see it's a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about sound distortion at higher volumes. Here's the thing though, if you're not cranking it all the way up, you'll likely be just fine. And it's perfect for casual listening rather than a full-on concert experience. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want to improve your sound without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle extreme volume levels with zero distortion. For the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if the slight distortion at high volumes bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Romicta 4-channel amplifier. Next up is the Romicta 4-channel Bluetooth 5.0 stereo amplifier, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention here was its versatility. It can power up to 4 speakers simultaneously. If you're looking for an amplifier that can handle multiple connections, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Delivering 50 W per channel, this amplifier offers a total peak power of 1200 W. That means it can fill your car or home with powerful, clear sound. And with its ultra-low harmonic distortion of just 0.04%, your audio will be reproduced with stunning clarity. Plus, it supports various input options like USB and FM, making a solid choice for almost any setup. With a 4.2-star rating from over 400 reviews, it's clearly resonating with users. Some users mentioned that the remote control can be a bit finicky. But honestly, that's a minor inconvenience when you consider how much flexibility and power this amplifier brings to the table. This is perfect for you if you're throwing parties or just want a robust home audio setup. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward with fewer features. For the price, it's a reliable choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a compact powerhouse. Product number 3, AK380 amplifier. The AK380 USB SD-BT.C is up next, available for $31.98. I was really impressed by its compact size and powerful output. If you want an affordable amplifier that's easy to carry around, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a peak power of 400 W plus 400 W, this amplifier is designed for people who prioritize high-fidelity sound. It has a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 feature for seamless streaming. Plus, it supports multiple inputs, including USB and SD cards. This means you can enjoy music from various sources without hassle. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 800 users, it shows that many people are satisfied with its performance. However, some users noted that the user manual could be clearer. I get that. It can be a bit frustrating if you're not tech-savvy. But once you get set up, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you want something portable for both home and car use. Skip this if you're looking for something with an extensive feature set. For its price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, the next one might catch your interest. Product number 4, Woopker AK35. Now let's check out the Woopker AK35, which is priced at $24.98. I love how compact it is while still offering decent power. If you want something that fits in tight spaces but doesn't compromise on sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The AK35 delivers 200W plus 200W, making it suitable for small to medium spaces. It's equipped with treble and bass control knobs, so you can adjust your sound according to your preference. Plus, it supports Bluetooth 5.0 for easy pairing. With a 4.3-star rating from about 270 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its compact design and functionality. However, some users mention that the sound quality doesn't hold up at max volume. I'll be real with you. If you're planning to use it for loud parties, you might want to consider a more powerful option. This is perfect for you if you need a small amplifier for casual listening or small gatherings. Skip this if you need something for larger events. For its size and price, it's a great choice. Now, if you want something with even more features, the final product on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Aeroron AK380 No Adapter. Finally, we have the Aeroron AK380, priced at $26.98. I was drawn to its dual-channel configuration and compact design. If you want a versatile amplifier that can easily fit in your setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers a robust 400W plus 400W power output, which is quite impressive given its size. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures a stable connection, and it also supports multiple inputs like USB and SD cards for flexibility. With a 4.0-star rating from over 250 reviews, it's evident that many users find it effective. One drawback is that it doesn't come with a power adapter, which disappointed some buyers. Here's the thing though, if you already have a compatible adapter or plan to use in your car, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something compact for home or car use. Skip this if you prefer having a power adapter included in the package. Overall, it offers solid performance for the price. To wrap it up, we've gone through some solid options. The Aeroron ZK1002T for budget-conscious folks, the Romicta 4-channel for versatility, the AK380 for portability, the Woopker AK35 for compact needs, and finally, the Aeroron AK380 for those who want flexibility. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's something for everyone in this list. Happy listening!